Ever wished you could truly own the items you collect in your favorite video games? Blockchain technology is making that dream a reality. In traditional gaming, the game company owns all your in-game items. But with blockchain, your assets are stored on a decentralized ledger. Blockchain gaming uses smart contracts for item ownership, often through NFTs, which are unique digital assets on the blockchain. Play to earn is a popular concept where playing a game can earn you cryptocurrency or NFTs as rewards. Blockchain gaming offers exciting features like true ownership, interoperability across games, and decentralized governance through DAOs. The future of blockchain gaming is exciting, with virtual worlds where players can own land and create economies. While there are challenges like scalability and environmental impacts, ongoing advancements in technology will address these issues. Blockchain gaming, the future of gaming, is decentralized.